Gil. Don't do this. It was all a test. He failed it.
I can't keep doing this anymore, all right? And your logic and things are just senseless.
Gil.
No, you're not leaving me.
You can't leave me. You can't leave me.
No, you're not leaving me like everybody else.
Veronica, what are you doing?
You think you're leaving me?